So after 10 years of traveling on the ocean, 90,000 nautical miles, 5 road trips across America, I've realized I love to cook outdoors. There's one problem though. I need a knife that can keep up with me. I need a chef's knife that I can take with me on an adventure. Packs easily in a glove box, easily in my backpack. Something more mobile. My good friend Kirsten over at Messermeister Knives, one of the founders, she's actually a very athletic and outdoorsy person herself. So instantly there was a bond. She said, wow, that's actually a great idea.
Adam brought this project to me and I was super excited about it. Messermeister was founded in California and most people don't know that. We're always looking for new projects to do and I thought this was a great one for the company.
As a professional chef, I only use top quality equipment. Messermeister has been a huge part of my life ever since culinary school. So what if that quality in the kitchen I could also have outside by the creek next to my campfire? The time has come. I've got a portable folding cutting board and it's not small. I can seriously get down with this cutting board. By having folding knives, not only is it safer and capable of going into my pocket, but they'll stay sharper longer and are substantially more compact so as to fit in glove boxes, backpacks, back pockets. So picture yourself using your pocket knife campside, trying to cut up an onion and you get these big, oblong, awkward shapes. Enough. We can now cook like real chefs and at-home cooks, outdoors, camping with the family. Finally, an adventure knife kit I can take with me anywhere in the world. My kitchen just got a whole lot bigger.